Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this simple effect rotating smoke with this portal type hole inside this, and I can move this smoke. It has no hole, but this hole is existed in 0 translate value. That's why when I move this smoke here, this hole appears. So this is very simple effect, but it can be used somewhere. So let's start this tutorial. So because this effect is very simple, so tutorial will be very short of this, but it looks kind of cool. You can use it somewhere, I think. So how I created this, let me just make a folder test, and in this folder I will create the fx, and this effect I will just delete it from here, and in this let's rename it test, and here I will